Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to do an unboxing and sound test of the Pamu Slide Minis. So let's start the video. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have the Pamu Slide Minis. As far as the box, you guys can see some decent packaging here. We do have some information about Qualcomm. It says the Qualcomm aptX sound, so these should sound good. And on the back, you do have some information about the headphones itself. So you have Bluetooth 5.0, dual microphone, noise reduction, touch button, IPX6 waterproof certification, 10 hours of music playback, and a Qualcomm aptX audio as well. So definitely should be some decent sound on these. So let's just unbox this baby and see exactly what it is. Alright, so let's just take off the sleeve, see exactly what it is. So we do have some nice presentation here. Pamu Slide Minis, just like so. Pamu on the other side, black in the box, black on the bottom. Definitely some decent presentation for under $60. So here we have the headphones itself. Now, just keep in mind, guys, I did actually redo this because the quality on the last video was kind of bad. So I definitely want to speed through this because I know exactly what it is. So as far as the inside itself, it says for first use, please put the earphones into the seat and fully charge the charging case. Take out the left and right earphones from the charging case and open Bluetooth search Pamu Slide Minis and click it to connect. So we have the actual casing itself. These are very thin, it's pretty light, and we do have a Type-C connection right over here. So we just have to pop it open. Here's how it sounds. Pretty sturdy. It does actually lock in pretty well. So how you charge them is you put them inside here, just like so. Now you guys are probably wondering why I put them in, because I do want to finish the unboxing. That's all you get on the inside here. You do get a nice little another box. I'll take it out real quick. Alright, so you do get another box here. It has a whole bunch of stuff, guys. So you do get a free pouch that does have the branding for Pamu. Carry and protect your earbuds, so you can actually put this in there if you want to. A Type-C charging cable, which is a plus. Micro USB is getting old, and you do have your user manual as well if you guys don't know how to set it up, but I'll definitely try to tell you exactly what it comes with. Now you do have some different type of earbuds as well. You got a large, small, and a medium size. I did actually try them on before, and I think that the ones that come with it already are actually pretty good. Now back to the earbuds itself. Let's just pop this out. I'll show you exactly what they look like. So here's what they look like. They're a little bit bigger than AirPods. They kind of look like the Galaxy Buds here, and they just added the little stem on the sides here. But putting them side by side, you can see exactly what they look like. They're a little bit bigger than normal, but one thing that I could say, because I did actually hear them already, I did have a live sound test, but I'll tell you exactly what they are. Now, the quality for 60 bucks, these things are worth it. Does the volume get super loud that you can't hear anything around you? No. The volume is pretty good. It doesn't get super loud, but they'll definitely cancel out a lot of the things around you, but you could definitely hear something like a siren or anything. So that's pretty safe when it comes to that. The sound quality itself, it does have a little bit of bass. It's not a full sound like my Sony earbuds that I currently have. Those you can't hear anything. See, but these have no active noise canceling from what I see in the box. I don't see that here, so you won't get the active noise canceling, especially at this price point. They might have a few other headphones that do have it, but as far as these, you don't get it, so you will be hearing a little bit of background because they do not get that loud. But as far as the comfortability in the ear, these actually fit very well and are probably one of the most comfortable earphones that I've had in a very long time. Now, if you guys are comfortable with the regular AirPods, the generation 1 and 2, then these should have no problem when it comes to being comfortable in your ear. Battery life, I'm not sure yet because I just unboxed these today. But as far as the sound, I think for under $60, and you do have a coupon code that I think lasts till the 7th, I believe. But as far as the quality of these, I think that they feel good in the hands. They have nice weight to them. How they look, I'll probably put that up in the screen right now. But as far as the sound quality, they're good. Mids are decent. It sounds probably a little tinny like for certain songs, but this definitely will get you by if you're looking for something similar for the gym. They do have the water resistance as well, so this definitely will be a plus. So if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Pamu air slides and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.